I had no regrets spending 6.5 years of my life studying architecture. It was my mother who was so disappointed. Like, you have done this study, and I did finish it. I did graduate, and I'm a licensed architect, so I even made sure I do all the extra stuff to really have it properly finished off. Yeah. But I knew already almost 2 years before graduation that I would not be an architect, because I fell in love with the possibility of 3D world, internet, virtual reality, which took ages to actually gain foot. It went kind of automatically over, and I got so excited and literally zero regrets. So I think when people just follow their passion, there is no regrets. And I think actually I'm like, it's great that I studied architecture. Like, I learned a lot of just my thinking, and then I go to Florence or something and I'm like, oh, I studied the art history and I know everything about this building. This is great. So it's like learning a language.